Hey, what's up, guys?
It is Bluey
Ape.
and Fish Wizard here, and today we're gonna do another airsoft video. It is our second one. And last video we showed you his view, and today we're gonna show you guys my view. So you guys are gonna see it, like basically how I do airsoft. So yeah, just so you guys know, these are fake. These are fake. Okay, they are
going to be starting
airsoft. We're gonna be starting in like a different place. I think.
Yeah, and like right now.
Back there.
Starting like right now. So let's go.
Okay, so guys, what we are going to do is get my shoes on, and we're gonna have like a minute, right?
Nope.
For no shooting. Yeah, because
Not anymore.
No, actually, bro. So what you guys will see notice is different about me than hold on.
Yeah, he's special.
Bruh, he called me special. Yeah, I'm a special kid. I am special. No, Tanner. He just tried to throw his. No, we're not gonna shoot right now. So scatter, I guess. Okay, here. Let's start back to back and then go opposite direction. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we should just do that, okay? A minute where we don't fire or anything. No, actually, okay. Here, that's... What? Okay, so we should start... We should start back to back, okay? Start back to back, and then you go that way, I go...
Just shot a BB bullet right in.
Oh, look it, guys. If you guys can't see, it's green right there. Bright green. Cool. Alright, so hold on. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. And there's only a minute. So count to 60. Alright, guys. Woodpecker. Yeah, so what you guys will know or see a difference from me than Lizard over there is that I go for more stealth. I find a spot, pick a spot, and then kind of stay there and decide, oh yeah, I'm gonna be here for a little while. Make sure that I don't get caught or anything, you know? So yeah. Okay, so alright, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my gun here. I'm gonna go a little far out, and then I'm gonna find a spot where there's a lot of vegetation, and I'm gonna hide out there. Since my vest is very bright, which I don't really like, makes it harder for me to blend in and stuff. So, well, he has full black on, and I'm sitting here what the heck? What am I supposed to do? So yeah, I'm gonna find a place and I'm gonna go dark. Meaning I'm gonna find a place like this where there's a couple trees that got knocked down. Quietly move it. Let's find a spot. I'm gonna kinda camp here. I see him. There's a lot of mosquitoes on me. I got crap done. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go get lizard. I'm gonna call like a draw for a second. I'm gonna go get some bug spray. Lizard, I'm gonna get bug spray. Cause there's like 25 mosquitoes like swarming me. Okay, so hands up. Safety, my safety's been on. Okay. So are you gonna get bug spray too?
Yeah.
And then he dropped my gun.
Hey, I can do a wheel finally.
No. And I'm gonna get, so I wrapped this cord all around like me so then I didn't have to deal with it a lot. But like, now I gotta undo that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Don't fire them both right now, Tanner. Don't. Keep my safety on, please. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some bug spray. And lizard might entertain you for a little bit. So do you wanna hold this? Don't stop the video. Like, hold it so it's facing away from you.
Hi. Hi. So yeah, I'm just gonna set my weapons down there.
I almost ran into a tree.
Yep. Being the imbecile he is. Almost running into that poor little tree. Or how I like to say twig. Or soon to be toothpick.